Today I got a fake battery pack 20V 5 seconds. Condition cannot be used. I'm going to weigh it first. 370G. And now I'm going to take it apart and see what's inside. This is its internal battery core. Very light. Rusted. It's a very slight feeling of being empty. I'm going to measure the voltage of the batteries. We'll first measure the overall voltage of the battery block. 16V. This pair of S's is now connected. Death 2. Generally, this battery is not of good quality. And now I'm going to take this off. Replace with another cell. First remove the BMS. It's got 10 welds here. Balance wire and load wire. Then we're going to unload its old zinc. All rusted. So I've untied it. I'm going to show you now. Very light battery cells. Sound. Empty always. Like this. I'm going to throw it away now. I'm going to use my new battery cell, which is the Samsung 25R. Although this is mass removal line, the quality is still good. Much better than that old cell. I'm going to weigh one of these with the old cell. I'm going to weigh his old battery. 24G. This is my new battery cell. For 5G. Much bigger than that. Now I'm going to install a new battery cell. First, I'll go to anode welding. The connection by specialized spot welding machine. It happened very quickly. Now I'm going to stick the pole. Avoid moisture and avoid dust. And now install its old BMS in. Here we keep Korean right. Its old leg is to be from BO until B5. This is B1. This side is B2. This is B3. This is B4. Finally, it's a 21 volts anode. It's B5. And now we're going to measure the voltage of the battery. We'll measure the foot in and foot out through the BMS circuit. It's the same voltage as 19.46. Then the pulse is working normally. Now I'm going to go install it in its old case. I'm going to measure the overall weight of the battery compared to its original weight. It's definitely going to weigh a lot more than this, 582 grams. Then I tested it on this cutter. I'm going to try to cut this battery. Nothing.